What's up YouTube? You're with me, All About Me by me, and Neil Sanga, and what I'm doing today is a little bit of cooking. Now I haven't got a name for this segment yet, so if you've got any ideas, just let me know in the comment box below. Straight into it, we're going to do a Lithuanian dish called Šaltibarščiai.
This won't be the first time that I tried to pronounce something, and it won't be the last, but I tried.
Something like that. Šaltibarščiai, Šaltibarščiai. I think that's what it is, and that is beetroot soup. Now usually I will show you what I made earlier, so you see what I'm doing, but I haven't done that. So we'll skip straight to the end, and here you go. So that is what your final product should look like. And before you do hand it out to your guests, there's one special ingredient you shouldn't forget, and it isn't in the rest of the video, and that is love. So take it from your heart and just sprinkle it all over. First of all, I'm going to use some dills. I've got some frozen ones, but if you want to use fresh, use them too. Then we're going to use 3 eggs for our dish today, and we're going to boil them. 1 solid piece of cucumber, some spring onion, which I'm going to chop, and I'll show you how. And last but not least is the 2 main ingredients. We've got the beetroots, broccoli.
Yeah, I didn't know how to say it there, but I did try my best.
Broccoli, possibly. And then we've got milk. You can't use normal milk, you've got to use kefir. Just use that one. And these 2 you can get from those European and Russian shops. So that's what you need.
Do not forget about your eggs.
Now that the soup is complete, what we're going to do now is have it with a side dish of potatoes, which is what they traditionally do in Lithuania. We're going to peel, boil, and because it's 2020, we're going to air fry. And what have we got? We've got Tesco's Maris Piper potatoes.
just go to Tesco or somewhere and just buy a packet of potatoes. So just give the potatoes a little shake, and now it's time for the air fryer. And once you put it in there, your potatoes get extra crispy, and that's what we like.
And there you have it, your very own Lithuanian beetroot soup. And what they say over there, Šaltibarščiai.
Yeah, still can't say it, but enjoy it.
I think. Just check it. And here we go. Potatoes. Everyone has it their own way, and I'm gonna dip. And that's it. Have a good evening. All about me, by me. Let me know what you think. Visagaro.